Officially, Emmanuel Ankra, a defender for Boafakwa Tano, Edini Jumedi Abaye or Boafakwa, or the letter any statement about Bontin say Boafakwa Tano on your Mayu. Na player ye can me apparently now or the Kumasa Santa Kotokorada no so ope or ye centre back, let's just say, or ye central defender. The only say Kumasa Santa Kotoko target, I know Mubo League or Ghana, no kahu. But no crack any say. Say no joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko na be den kakra because of maybe a SEC in the last few weeks. Make us say na oda Kumasi Asante Kotoko rather no so as a possible add-up for Kotoko center backs, but unfortunately Kotoko assigned 2 new center backs omunyina no Efra Bruchire and ebe join Kotoko, which is Samba Unel and from Congo and Joseph Agbo from Guinea. Inti sese no ama sese jai free Emmanuel Ankra every bofo akwa no enye certain say Kumasi Asante Kotoko deal no betima ba so even though say obi nim de ebesie because officially player na de abeto abontin say one bofo akwata no awie omaja na say onko na there are 2 teams eye Kumasi Kumasi Asante Kotoko apparently omonso tamana Kotoko eko for him no monso ani abre pan se omunya na nka omope not too long ago ena papa no and say young man no Emmanuel Ankra at the statement we ever told mamen kan ma quickly or say it's been honor and pleasure to have joined this great club, and I want to use this opportunity to thank the Almighty God, board members, management, technical team, colleagues, and the wonderful people, the fans and all the well wishers who supported my stay at Boafakwa Tano. It's been a wonderful journey and I'm grateful for the opportunity the club gave me. It's time to move on to another stage of my career. It is not goodbye time because I'm still part of the family. Thank you Boafakwa Tano. Thank you Sunyane. Bofo besa bebium and no churugu but bofo besa bebium no na waje omo. Hwan mu na enkobo na bofo nsamra. Em say bofo ko relegation no key players no e free opa. Emmanuel Ankra say one bofo eni hobium. Ni move to Kotoko no minim Kotoko central defender ba ako. Your friend Nuruddin or that's what Tamale sa wan join ne dia e bia Kotoko beba akofa no. Let's say Kotoko central defenders na I4, but apparently Emmanuel Ankra na tama na Kotoko open no samre na young apostle so eni ba ko tete ho ena yi ho na omu area ho na Doma Aduana Stars so open no nti as the day unfolds no development bi aba e de bebrem.